Jai Srimanarayana. While walking towards Panchavati, they are carefully walking and carefully following the directions which are given by Agastya Mahamuni. Then on their way, Rama has seen such a big eagle sitting on a tree. Grudram Bhima Parakramam. He has seen that eagle. And Rama felt that probably that eagle is a Rakshasa and asked, Ko Bhavan, who are you? Rama asked. For that eagle responding in a very, very sweet voice, Madhuraya Vacha, very slowly, very nicely responding to Ramachandra Swami, saying that, Oh Rama, I am your father's friend. So immediately Rama asked, so then what is your Vamsam? What is your name? Let me know. For which eagle saying that entire of his dynasty, the lineage, he is giving all the details to Sri Ramachandra Swami, saying that, Oh Rama, there used to be Kardama. He is the first Prajapati. After Kardama, Vikrita, Sesha, Samshraya, Sthana, Marichi, Atri, Kratu, Pulastya, Angirasa, Prachetasa, Pulaha, Daksha, Vivasvanta, all these Prajapatis came after Kardama. After all of these Prajapatis, there is another Prajapati whose name is Kasyapa, who is also known as Arishtanemi. Like this eagle giving the lineage, his lineage details to Sri Ramachandra Swami. That eagle is giving the details of his lineage to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Eagle saying that, Oh Rama, Daksha Prajapati has 60 daughters. This fact is known to each and every one. They are famous. Within that 60 daughters, 8 daughters were married by Kasyapa. They are Aditi, Diti, Danuvu, Kalika, Tamra, Krodhavasa, Manuvu, Anala. So in these 8 daughters, Kasyapa got married with 8 daughters, and then Kasyapa got children to all these 8 daughters. In that, Aditi gave birth to 12 Adityas, 8 Vasuvus, 11 Rudras, 2 Aswini Devatas. So Aditi has got 33 children. Then Diti gave birth to all Daityas. Sometime back, Rama, this entire earth was under control of these Daityas. Oh Rama, now Kasyapa got children with other wives also. In that, Kalika gave birth to Naraka, Kalaka. Danuvu gave birth to Hayagriva. Tamra gave birth to 5 children. They are Krauncha, Bhasi, Syeni, Dhritarashtri, Sukhi. In that 5, Krauncha gave birth to some different birds. Bhasi also gave birth to some birds. Syeni also gave birth to all eagles and other birds. Dhritarashtri gave birth to swans and other birds. Sukhi gave birth to Nata. Nata gave birth to Vinata. Kasyapa's other wife is Krodhavasa. She gave birth to Mrugi, Mrugamanda, Hari, Bhadramada, Matangi, Sarduli, Sveta, Surabhi, Surasa, Kadruva. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.